Welcome to my channel How to Tutorial Guide. In this video, I will show you how to cast your phone to Windows PC. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Open Google Chrome and go to the website Let's View. Now click on Download Now to download Let's View. When the download is ready, you can install Let's View. Click on Open and then Run. Click on Install Now. When the install is ready on your PC, download and install Let's View on your phone with Google Play Store. Now that you have installed them on both devices, you can run Let's View in Windows. For this, both devices need to be connected on the same Wi-Fi. Click on Mirror. Now open the Let's View app on your phone to connect to your Windows PC. Choose your Windows username to connect your phone. Select Phone Screen Mirroring. And click Start Now. Mine is in Dutch language. That's it. Now you can see your phone screen on your Windows PC. I hope this step-by-step video helped you with how to install Google Play Store on your PC step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content just like this.